Today we'll show about, SAP, what is SAP, right? Abbreviation of SAP.
Yeah. Protocol.
Huh? Tell me, what is SAP?
SAP, it's system application process, I think.
Okay, no worries. Just asking. Don't think about that. I'm not a teacher asking this much of question. Just
yeah, but I know what it is. But suddenly when you ask it. Yeah.
Okay. So system application products in data processing. It's called SAP. Okay. So there is a major modules in SAP. Now currently there's a lot of modules in around more than 100 modules in SAP. Okay. So major modules in demanded module is material management. Because without material management, nothing project cannot execute. Okay. So material management major model. So coming to the next is currently there is a high demanded module is extended warehouse management.
Okay.
So third one is for sales and distribution. So next is for this is important model, but not that much big model. So finance. Okay, there is a different that is called as a it is called as a FI.
Eco, right?
Yeah. Now they
separate the same, but okay.
Now they segregated both, differentiate FI and CO. Previously, a single model is called as a FIGO, FI CO. So recently they will segregate that by FI separate, controlling separate module.
Okay.
Okay, so FIGO, then having production planning, PP. Okay, then we have PM quality management. Then we have PM plant maintenance. Then we have HRM human resource management. Okay. So these are the other than lot of module is there. Okay, then PPDS, lot of things is there. Okay, PS is project system.
Okay, this is new for me. I'm listening it for first time.
Project system. Okay, so these are the major models. These are the 5 major MAPECO everywhere implementation project. I think this all models should be there. Okay. So apart this, the client will take some other modules, integration, interfaces. It will be based on the project based. Okay. So coming to ours, so we have as a implementation project with whatever modules you are working. So what is our implementation methodology? Did you hear about SAP methodology?
I know, but not detailed about it. Yeah.
Yeah, in ECC, there's a two version now. You know, right? There is a SAP having ECC version.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the old version, but now recently SAP switched to S4 HANA. Okay. S4 HANA is now recently this is a own sub domain own database for SAP. Okay, S4 HANA. Okay. So now coming to this, if we go for as a implementation part, so you need to what are things we consider as a consultant. Okay, so there is a called SAP ECC. There is a implementation methodology. Okay, what is implementation methodology? SAP methodology. Okay. So they called as a SAP methodology. SAP means accelerated SAP. It's called as accelerated SAP. Okay. There is 5 phases in this methodology. Okay. So based on the 5 phases, they will implement the SAP.
Okay.
First phase is project preparation. Okay. So what is a project preparation? So example, you think about Accenture. Okay, Accenture is a IT solution provider company, SAP solution provider company. Okay.
Okay.
So you think about any manufacturing companies like Hyundai, Tata, something. So you think about the data started with non-SAP system. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then what happened after some years? Tata will decided they want going to use SAP system. Okay.
Okay.
So they will approach the SAP market. Okay. So then they will approach the SAP market. Later that is called as a tendering process. They will give the tender. Okay. So that
Okay.
tender will be taken by many companies, IT solution companies like Accenture, IBM, TCS. Many companies, the competition and take the tender. So they will
Okay.
provide that the demos, their company opportunity, facilities, what are the offering they providing. So this and all given by end to end Accenture sales team. Every SAP side, one sales team is there. Okay, SAP sales, pre-sales. Okay,
Okay.
that team only getting the project from that IT from the client side.
Okay.
Okay, so that is a sales team responsible getting the project. Okay, so once
Okay.
the project is finalized, so maybe the data is fixed for Accenture is a SAP solution provider. So what will happen? So Accenture form one team for this project. Okay, based on that volume, based on the business, so they will decide that they will prepare the plan. Okay, how many persons are required? Okay, this project, what are the modules are going to implement there? Okay, this all by decided by project manager, project high management team and Accentures. Okay, so
Okay.
after decided what the people are senior people, every individual modules, the senior peoples are go to that on site. Okay, Tata office, Tata company, they will visit it on site for the understanding that business process, what they currently following in the Tata. Okay, so what are the which system they following? What are the data they using? How many material master? How big? How many business process they having? So this and all the gathering the requirement. So at this it's called as a as is. It's called as a as is. Okay,
Okay.
as is understanding. Called as a requirement gathering. Requirement gathering by generally it will do by individual model senior peoples. Okay, so project
Okay.
preparation and as is understanding. There is a first step project preparation. It will goes to along with project manager. It goes to individual model one person. So they will go to sit with individual core members with client side, customer side. They will understand their requirements, how their business doing. Example, MO means how they will do the procurement. Okay, how they making purchase orders. What are the condition on the purchase order? What are the special procurement they using? So these are that how many vendors they using, how many materials data they having, how they preparing the PO, it will be reflected to vendor. So what are the interfaces they having, what are the reports they having. So these are the things as is they're currently what they're having. Okay, what they're following. This all understanding in the project preparation phase. Okay, so for that
Okay.
we have one format of BBML. It will be based on that company. It's called as a business process master list. Okay, so what we can, this is the one type of Excel format. Okay,
Mhm.
so we can given to client. Okay, so this business process master list, the client will be fill that their current process with our required format. Okay.
Okay.
Example, master data. So in the MM file, master data topic. So what are the master data? Okay, vendor, material, source list, purchasing, forecast. So what are the master list they are having currently? How they following the process? Okay, how they will procuring the P, how they making the PO and all. These all the things they will fill in that BBML sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Then they will send it to the BBML sheet to our consultants. Okay. So even though we are daily, we are doing the discussion for their as is understanding. As is means what they presently do in the system. So what are the
Okay.
activities they following in the current system? This is called as is understanding requirement gathering from business.
Okay.
Business. Okay, the next step is for business blueprint. Okay, it's called as a BBB. Okay, business blueprint. What is a business blueprint? So it is what they are following as is condition. Okay, so
Mm.
this process how they are following, we need to map with SAP system. Okay, how will be it is called as a it is called as a B. Okay, how to be in SAP? Their current process, how to be in SAP? Okay. So example, they're creating one purchase order in their legacy system. How we'll make in the same purchase order in SAP. So these and all we need to business make the business blueprint in that file. Okay, we need to prepare the business blueprint in the Word document.
Okay.
Okay. So the thing is, okay, I will show you the business blueprint later. Okay, so we need to map this business blueprint in the SAP system. Okay, in that while creating the business blueprint, we need to capture all the as is process. Okay, done. Next, we need to
What
identify.
we are going to make, right?
Uh, so next is we need to, what we need to identify.
Changes.
Second, yeah. So what we need to identify. Okay, identify uh, non-standard process. Okay, non-standard process means they following some process, but that process there is a no standard SAP.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that process it's called as a gap.
Yeah.
Initially,
Okay.
we identified the gap. So what
Mm.
the current process, but we cannot see the solution in SAP. Okay,
Okay.
that is called as a gap. Okay, we identify the non-standard process first. The gap also there is a solution. Then we go forward. We identified that gap we can achieve. Can we achieve non-standard process non-standard process in custom object custom solution. Okay, custom solution means okay, we can maybe we identify the gap. We need to check. We can able to achieve this gap in the custom screen, custom solution. It means we new development. Okay,
Okay.
the new development can possible to give the new development. So we need to check this. Okay, it is possible to give the new development. This is not a gap. This is called as a rise up. Okay. So if we can, it can able to deliver the gap, which is a custom solution, it is called as a rise up. Okay, what is a rise up? Rise up is a big subject. A rise up. Okay, rise up. What is a W? Okay, W means workflow. R means reports. I means surface. E means conversations. Conversion. So conversion. And E means F means form. Okay. So this is called as a rise up. Okay. So there is a rise of this many categories there workflow, reports, interface, conversion, enhancement, forms. So that gap which is identified. So this gaps under this which category? Okay, it will be workflow, it will be reports, it will be interface, it will be conversion or enhancement form. We need to identify the gap
Which?
under the which category.
Okay.
Okay, so then we need to develop that rise up and we need to coordinate with the ABAP team. It's ABAP, you know,
Mm-hmm.
right? ABAP.
Yeah. Which
It's a technical
technical
team.
team?
Okay.
Yeah, backbone
Advanced
program.
business application program. Okay. It's called as a ABAP. Okay. So they will call as it's a purely technical. Okay. So we coordinate, we write a logic for the rise up to achieve this gap. Okay, new custom solution. Then we need to coordinate with the technical team. Then we need to get the development done and we give the provide the solution to business. Okay,
Okay.
while I'm saying this, while we need to consider the right, make the business blueprint, we need to consider this all the things. Okay, we need to capture all the access process. We need to identify the non-standard process. If we can achieve non-standard process in the custom solution, then we need to update the rise up in that business blueprint. Okay, how many rise up? What are the rise up? Everything we need to capture on the blueprint. Blueprint is like a Bible. Okay, this Bible, this blueprint only we need to get the sign off from business to move
Okay.
next move. Okay, so after a business blueprint, then we'll go for the third phase called as a realization. Realization is nothing but configuration.
Okay.
Okay, we start our configuration. So until the as first phase and second phase should be complete and get the BBB sign up, then only we go forward realization phase. Okay, till the time that at the time of project preparation time, at the time of business blueprint time, we need to show the demo to client in the SAP system. Okay,
Okay.
so they are not their system. We have our own internal office systems. So either
Okay.
we can show the configure some setups. We can show some SAP screens, how to create PO, what are the reports, everything. We need to show the demo to client. Then only they can get understand what is the SAP and all. Okay,
Okay.
so that is also our consultant role for to show the demo to client.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the third phase, that is realization. This phase only as a junior consultant or consultant will be joined, start our configurations as per the business blueprint.
Okay.
As per the business BBP, will construct the system, construct the client system. Okay. So what are the business blueprint we captured? We need to, all the things will be captured and that we start our configuration in the system. Okay, maybe then final phase, fourth phase, final preparation. Okay. It's a final preparation. We need to do review our configuration. Okay, so here also the review that at the time of realization we need to do unit testing. So I testing is a separate part. I will tell you what are the testing we are doing also. Okay. So there is a
Okay.
unit testing. We do the unit testing. Consultants are doing unit testing. Okay. Then final
Mm-hmm.
preparation, our review the overall configurations, review our overall configuration. Okay, then prepare, do the, that is the SIT, that is the testing, SIT testing. Another for preparing user manual. Okay, then configuration document. Okay, then work for cutover activities. Okay. So what are things that overall configuration, whatever configuration be done in realization base, any configuration is left over or everything is worked fine. So all the configuration will be reviewed on the final preparation stage. So any leftover configurations are missing or not something. Then SIT is a system integration testing. Okay, so we need to integrate it with other functional modules. Okay, all the modules integrated with some other functional modules. So we need to test with our API. Means we need to shift and work with FI consultants, then SD consultants, PP consultants. We sit together and we need to testing integrations. Everything's working fine or not. Okay, so that is called as a SIT. Then preparation of user manual for training purpose. There we are preparing user manual for that give to client for our their testing purpose. Okay, then configuration documents, what we provide the configuration, we need to give the submit the documents to client. We need to prepare the configuration documents. Then cutover activities. Cutover activities means before going to go live. So 1 week or based on the business volume, we need to do the cutover activities. They will stop the operations. Okay, we will get that. Okay, then we'll hear one of the data migration. That's a major topic is data migration.
Okay.
Data migration is we upload the data from their legacy systems to our SAP system, like a vendor master, material master, info record, finance assets, liabilities, so balances, vendor balance, customer balances, then customer master, all the master data. Okay, we need to upload in that SAP system. Okay, that is called as a data
Does the
migration.
consultant do that data migration also?
Generally, data migration, there is a one separate consultant is there. So
Okay.
if we're not there, as a consultant, we will do.
Okay.
Because of every based on the organization. If you go for big companies, MNCs, Accenture and all, no? So definitely one data migration person should be their individual project.
Okay. Okay.
If you're not there, then as a consultant will generally it should be there. Data migration
Okay.
team.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. There is a big job. Okay. So configuration document and the thing. There is a part of EAT. It's called a user acceptance testing. So user will be perform that testing and they will acknowledge that our testings. Okay. Then final stage is go live support. Okay. So this is go live and support. That go live means they will start the client will be start using their production system to operation day-to-day transaction. They will start to punching in the SAP system. That day is called as a go live. Okay, then support will be based on that agreement. They will do the support 1 month or 2 months. So it will be based on that management agreement. Okay, that is called as a SLA, service level agreement. Okay, they will do that support. Okay, so these are the overview of project, how they were doing. Okay, what is the things are as a consultant, what we can do in the on-site. It's an implementation project.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if you go forward, senior
All this.
consultant, start
Okay. Yeah, all these things are same for ECC and HANA both, right?
No, yeah, both
Almost
step is
something.
yeah, both steps are
Yeah,
steps.
everything. Yeah.
Yeah, but there minimized only 4 steps actually. Okay, it's
Okay.
called as only 4 step in S4. That is called as not ASAP methodology. It's called Activate
Mm-hmm.
methodology in S4.
Okay. Okay.
In S4 HANA implementation methodology is called as
Okay. That is
Activate.
accelerated. This is activate.
Activate methodology. Okay, you just if you have time, you Google it or is YouTube it. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
the first topic is prepare. Same like that. Little bit changes is there, but everything same. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
The second topic is explore. Third point is realize. Fourth is deploy.
Yeah. Maybe this names might have changed, but
Yeah,
almost.
process is same. The name
Yeah.
might be changed. Okay. So these are they're called as a PERD. Okay, it's called a PERD. Okay, prepare. Okay, explore, realize, deploy. Okay, the concept is same. Prepare means they will preparation of project preparations. Okay,
Explore and that's a
explore,
business
realize, and
prep.
deploy. Okay, the things are same, everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the only thing is this will be how to call this individual phase by phase. That SAP always, that is SAP always is the project based work. Okay, so every
Okay.
project it may be minimum based on the business volume. They will decide the period. 1 year or 9 months or 8 months something. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
inside they will face that phase wise they will divide the time period timeline. Okay. Project period, how many months? Project preparation, how many months? Business blueprint, sign off, how many months? Okay. So realization, how many months? Okay. Testing, how many months? Final preparation, how many months? When is the go live? How many months support? This all will be divided based on the project timeline.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the role of consultants. Okay, configuration is another consultant job, but other than that, you need to understand the business process. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is a major important for the consultant role. You are understanding the business process, then we need to provide the solution to client. Okay, if you are going to put it on implementation, you need to face the client. You need to understand the requirements from client, and you need to provide the solution to client with their business. Okay, so that is a major consultant role. That configuration and a later part. That perspective, two things is very important. As is requirement gathering and business blueprint preparation.
Okay.
Okay, there two things is very important. So that is a major role played by consultants. Okay, then we need to show the demo to client. Okay, then in the time many people are asking lot of questions. If you are facing the client now, they will asking many questions. Okay, they don't know anything about SAP. Okay, that's why they are asking lot of questions. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? How I can achieve this process? Currently, we are following this. How we can give in the SAP solution? This many small questions they will asking.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a way of working in SAP implementation projects. Okay,
Okay.
if you are putting resume, you are the experienced person. Then you need to tell about the terminology of SAP. What are the things you are doing in implementation projects?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So your major process role is also implement. If you are putting here, you done any one implementation, then you should know very well about what is as is understanding, how to do as is understanding, how to do prepare business blueprint.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So then this realization is configuration and all later. But so what are the testing? What are the system in SAP? Okay. Though I should tell you that. So I think this fine for you. I think.
Yeah. All these things will be you will be explaining S/4HANA only, right? Because I have not. Hello.
Tell me, Shweta.
Yeah, you will be explaining in HANA only, right? S/4HANA only, right? Because
Yeah.
I don't
We
know
can show.
anything in HANA because I have
Yeah,
never
we will go
worked on
HANA only.
HANA. Okay,
Because of
fine. Yeah.
ECC, it will be going to 2027 will be
Yeah. Yeah.
stop
Absolute.
support.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay, fine.
everyone need to migrate.
Okay, I contacted the person which you have sent about this access. I asked